What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add Stripe account to Twitter. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Stripe. After typing, you will see this first official website of Stripe. Simply click on this website. Now, after clicking, you will be redirected to this page of Stripe. So if you are new to Stripe, the right side at the top, you will see the option of sign in. Just simply sign in with your email and password. But if you already have an account, you will see the option of dashboard, or you can even see the option of sign in. Just simply click here, and then you will be automatically signed into Stripe dashboard. Now, after coming to the homepage of Stripe, open a new tab, and then in the new tab, open Twitter. Now, after opening Twitter, sign in with your Twitter account, and after signing or logging in, click on More, and after clicking on More, click on Monetization, and after clicking on Monetization, you have the option of Become a Premium Creator. So click here, and after clicking, you have the Stripe Premium option. Sorry guys, you have the Twitter Premium option. So you can choose from these two subscriptions. And then after subscribing, you will unlock the full potential of Twitter. And after subscribing, you will see the option of link Twitter with Stripe. So just simply link Twitter with your Stripe, and then you will be successfully able to add Stripe account to your Twitter. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.